Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna review the Hisense portable smart air conditioner 8000 BTUs. This model has a Wi-Fi connectivity with a free ConnectLife app. It's got a dual hose for more efficient and faster cooling. It's got 4 comfort modes: cooling, fan, dehumidifier, and it can be used as a heater also. Cooling or heating recommended area is 300 to 499 square feet, and the operating voltage is 115 volts. It is very easy to install and everything just snaps in. Hoses are short, so if you have a high window as I have, then you're gonna run into some problems. To get around this problem, I had to put it on top of a nightstand, and here it is. This setup is okay, but as you can see, it can roll off the nightstand. To overcome this problem, I was using some foam noodles that I found around the house. I just cut them into short pieces, tape them on a nightstand, and it kept the AC in place. Now I'm going to show you how it works, and later on how it's connected to Alexa. After powering up, you can select between the 4 modes: cooling, heat, dehumidify, and fan only. It is very low power consumption. The dual hose design is reducing the negative air pressure in the room. It comes with attachment to attach it to a window vertically or horizontally. It does take a couple of seconds after you press the power button until it actually starts. The same happens when you turn it off. This is the code that you need to install the app. After installing the app, you have to follow the steps to connect to your Wi-Fi and also to communicate with the device. And then you can use the app to turn on or off. Or if you have Alexa, you can connect it with Alexa and you can command through Alexa to turn on or off. This is the oscillation mode. It just goes up and down. That concludes this video, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.